The Aranui 5 isn't just a vessel, it's your gateway to the heart of French Polynesia. As a solo traveler, you're set for a journey that's a unique blend of relaxation, adventure, and cultural immersion. With expert guides and local insights, you're not just traveling, you're transforming. Packing smart is key. Comfortable walking shoes, a weather-ready jacket, and your own snorkel gear are essentials. Don't forget motion sickness medication, binoculars for wildlife viewing, and outlet adapters. Research beforehand to ensure you're ready for every adventure. Solo doesn't mean solitary. The Aranui 5's communal spirit offers a chance for connections and shared stories. Join onboard activities, connect with others on social media before setting sail, and opt for shared shore excursions. Be open to the communal spirit, and you'll find companionship as enriching as the destinations. Choosing islands like Maria for lush landscapes, Bora Bora for luxury, or the Marquesas for rich culture is crucial. Plan around local events for cultural immersion and research transportation options like local flights or yacht charters. The journey is as significant as the destination. Navigating French Polynesia's oceanic expanse is an adventure. Modern cruises and catamaran excursions echo the traditional outrigger canoes of the past. Plan your onshore activities to maximize your time and consider a catamaran for a more intimate sailing experience. Respect local customs by learning basic Tahitian or French phrases. Dress modestly in traditional areas, ask permission before taking photos, and embrace the mana. Participate in local events for a deeper cultural experience and genuine connections. Snorkeling and diving are must-dos. Each island offers unique ecosystems to explore. Follow local regulations, use eco-friendly sunscreen, and consider guided tours for the best spots. Respect the habitats to preserve the underwater magic for future generations. Sailing excursions offer a unique perspective of the islands. Choose from half-day sails to full-day adventures, private charters, or group outings. Engage with skippers for insights into the marine environment and book in advance for these popular activities. Respect is paramount when exploring the ocean. Avoid disturbing marine life, use reef-safe sunscreen, and choose eco-friendly tours. Your actions help protect the ecosystem and the Polynesian way of life, deeply connected to the sea. Discover hidden gems by venturing off the beaten path. Engage with locals for insights into traditional practices and explore lesser-known trails and beaches. Safety and health precautions are essential. Always respect local customs and take necessary safety measures. Your solo travel story is waiting to be written, with each hidden treasure adding to your personal narrative. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.